We chose Tesla Solar Roof for various reasons. With a new build, we were putting a roof on in the first place. So it made sense from a build perspective, a simplicity of build. So you just have the underlayment, you have the structure and then the underlayment, and you're not being duplicative with your roof shingles and that are basically wasted because they're covered by the panels themselves. So for us, it made functional and financial sense to do it that way, and also aesthetic. It just looks fantastic. This house is an absolute dream come true. For us, we've designed it as a passive house. So our walls, it's basically designed like a Yeti cooler is designed. We have double stud wall construction, R60s in the wall, R100 on the roof line, and just incredibly well insulated triple glazed windows. But the idea is this is our forever home, and the return on investment is not only for environmental reasons, but also we're going to be here forever. So we're going to benefit from all the insulation, all of the solar production over a long period of time. We went with American Home Contractors. It made sense for us because not only do you provide Tesla Solar Roof, which is what we had originally sought, but you also provide span panels and other companies that are in this field of renewable roofs and high quality roofs. So first of all, I had great interpersonal experience with you guys. I think you hire good people from that perspective, which actually means a lot to me, especially when you're dropping hundreds of thousands of dollars on something and you put all of your life savings into it. So you want to feel that comfort that you're doing it right. And also, it's hard to comparative shop. You can't just say how much of that iPhone costs over there and over here. It's sort of like you are one, if not one of few players in this game, in this area. So I really appreciated that. It gave me comfort that I was doing it right and that I was getting good service.